Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a body pillow on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is a online shopping marketplace that delivers the product directly to the customer from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So here we have to open temu.com and I will directly search for a baby body pillow. So here we can see a body pillow. So here I will take this for $6.98. Okay, so here we can see, so basically this pillow you can just use from do better sleep, okay, for your pregnancy. And it's like this, okay, regular pillow, a neck pillow, you can see. So it will like uh, it will give increase in your posture. So it's filled with your air balls, okay. Here we can see it will relieve your back pain, head pain. And here we can see some reviews also, okay. If you scroll down, we can see some details. So here we can see it is for neck, and the main feature is portable. So here we can see the other details also. So to buy, you have to click on add to cart button, then click on the buy button, then follow the instructions to make the payment, and the purchase is successful. So this is how to buy a body pillow on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.